Hello viewers, welcome to my Tech Updates official YouTube channel powered by technologyrss.com. Hello, in this tutorial how to install Apache Cloudstack Management Server version 4.20 on Ubuntu 24.04 or latest 24.10. This is my server information. I am checking my server IP address and version. This is my version and this is my IP address as like Apache Cloudstack management version. Must be your server update and upgrade before management server installation. Update and upgrade done. Now going to next installation process. Must be your all server IP and host name include into your etc hostess file. I am already added. This is my host name and this is my network configuration static IP and should be resolve.conf file. Use Google TNS. This is not edited. Yes, edited done. Now check fqdn. This is my cloud.technologyrss.local. Now I am trying to ping cloudstack.apache.org. Yes, ping successfully working. Now install MySQL server and record some package using this command. Record package installation done. Now create one directory etc apt carrying and run this command and then add repo file for Cloudstack 4.20. Yes, now update this repo. Yes, repo updated done. Now install Cloudstack management server and Cloudstack usage server. It will take up to 10 to 15 minutes as your depends your network speed. (1739 MB total file size. Management server installation done. Now change some settings for MySQL. Input all text under MySQL D section. Then create Cloudstack conf file and insert this save and exit, then restart MySQL service and then reset MySQL root password. By default MySQL root password is blank. Now I am setting MySQL root password using this command. This is my MySQL root password and now Cloudstack setup database using cloud user password, and this is root password. If you want use a specific IP address, so use option I, then use IP address. Then running this Cloudstack setup management, please ensure port 8080, 8250, 8443 and 9090 are opened and not firewall D for the management server and not used by another process on this host. Now check server lock using tail. After installation done, now access web browser using your IP and port/client and username admin, password is password, then click login. Apache Cloudstack is an open source cloud computing system. At the present is using latest operating system Alma Linux, Ubuntu. Discovering features, please wait. You can see log. Yes. Hello and welcome to Cloudstack trademark. This guide will aid you setting up your Cloudstack installation. You can check documentation, report issue, take survey and change default password, or you can going to admin profile, then change from here, change password, then you can change password. Now this global settings not needed, latest version. Now separate server, my NFS storage server, for install system VM template. Use my local domain. This is technology rss dot local. And start RPC bind service. Create MNT secondary, and now mount this folder. Yes, successfully mount. This is 677 gigabyte. This is my storage. And now install system VM using Cloudstack management server. Now start download this system VM. Up to take 10 minutes for download and installation. System VM template installation done. Now you mount this directory. If you use Apache Cloudstack management server as a NFS server, so don't remove this directory. But my NFS server is a separate server, So I remove this directory from management server. Now stop and start this cloud management service. Stop and start. Start and then check log file using tail cloud management server -log. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please submit your valuable comments. Please subscribe my channel, like and share with others, and don't forget press the bell icon, get the first notification.